Chief Minister N. Biren has informed that a team led by Tengnoupal DC has taken biometric data for 24 Myanmar nationals after they were found at Govajang village under Tengnoupal district. In a post on his Facebook account, Chief Minister N. Biren informed that a combined team consisting of Tengnoupal DC, SDO More, personnel of E Company of 5th Assam Rifles, police personnel along with biometric team carried out search operation at Govajang village and conducted biometric verification and re-identification. In the operation, 24 Myanmar nationals, which include 8 males and 16 females, were found, and subsequently their biometric data were collected. Chief Minister lauded government officials and security personnel for conducting such operation to identify Myanmar nationals. He also maintained that similar operations will be carried out in all villages that are located in and around Indo-Myanmar border town More.